Okay.
Hi.
So me and Belle
Hi.
both have empty cans. I'm explaining this to my video, so I don't know. So we both have empty cans. Mine's a Crush. Hers is like a Coke. She got to finish it first, though. Finish. And me and Bella are gonna fill up this sink with water. Maybe they're like right there. And we're gonna poke one hole right here, so it doesn't leak in here. We're just gonna poke one hole, and then if it goes like this, then it'll sink. So we're going to poke one hole and then see if it sinks or if it stays. And if it stays, then we're just going to go nuts until it sinks. It sounds stupid, but it's fun. I think you broke it.
What? I thought it was already like that.
Alright, so I have this little plug I'm going to put in the sink. There we go. Okay, let's start filling it.
Before, I'm going to show you our picture.
Gigantic. Look how big it is. It almost takes up the entire wall. Almost.
And it's super cool.
Yeah.
See, you walk up the bridge, and there's a big tree.
They have tomorrow off. I know.
7:49. Jason, 7:49. You lied. You're a liar.
We need
Okay, hurry.
Hold on. Okay, hurry, Belle. Alright, we got one hole. It's right there. One hole.
What are you doing?
Wow.
Belle, just bend it. Yeah, there you go. It's okay. Mine has a dent in it too. Okay, let me see it. Here, I'll do it to your. I did it to my video, so I'll do it to yours. Alright, hole right there. You guys can see. Alright. I'm gonna put that there for later. And here. Is it cold? We're doing the Titanic then. It's gonna be freezing.
Guys, if you didn't know, they're making another Titanic
in 2020.
I'm not going on.
I'm not either. Okay, so
Just take the charger. Okay, there we go. I don't want to drop my
2, 1. Oh my gosh. I hope mine doesn't sink.
Wait, oh no, my hole's right here.
Oh shoot. I don't know if it's gonna sink or not. Alright. Doing a speed time lapse. Alright, speed time lapse. Do.
Didn't work, so we're gonna make some more holes.
Oh my gosh. No, Bo.
So if you're
We're not gonna make some more holes. We're gonna make a bigger hole.
So if you're voting for Jace, what do you want your boat to be called?
It's so good.
Vote for Titanic. Hashtag Titanic. If you're voting for me, hashtag dogs. Hashtag Coca-Cola.
Please sponsor us.
How do we get sponsored?
What?
How the heck do we get sponsored?
YouTube just sponsors us. I don't know. Okay, now it's time to put a big hole in
I'm
Bella's.
gonna do it.
Okay, you gotta like go like that and like dig it. Make a big hole. And remember, we have that longer video thing, so yeah. There you go. Alright, let me do it.
Started.
Alright, Bella, your big hole is completed. Bella, look at yours and my hole. Bella, look how big the holes are.
Hey, babe, do you know where my phone ended up?
Alright guys, so now we're going to try this again. Alright, so we need to like pop these out because it's not really working. There we go. Alright, they're popped out. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. Oh my gosh. There's no way they're actually sinking. No way. Look at Bella's.
No.
Hers is sinking. Look how bad that's sinking.
Stop.
Oh no, Bella.
Look at yours.
Oh my gosh. Let's turn mine. Oh, it's gone to the hole.
No, it's going in there.
Oh my gosh, it's sinking, guys. Oh my gosh. Mine's reenacting the Titanic right now. Oh, I think it stopped.
That's okay.
Oh my gosh. They actually sunk. No way. Okay. I'm going to do a big tear in mine.
Yes, I'm.
Because we can do this. Oh my gosh. How much water. Okay, where's the thingy? Oh, there it is. Oh, I'm going to use a spoon. That's not working. Oh my gosh.
Jeez.
Huh? Oh my gosh, show it on my camera.
Oh, where is it?
On camera.
Guys, look. Oh, wait.
There it is.
Right there.
Oh my gosh, look how big mine is. Okay. Alright, Bella, I think we're ready. Just pop it out so it'll... Alright, I'm gonna try and sink mine again.
Wait, no, take it out.
Oh my gosh.
3,
2,
1.
Push it again.
Battleship.
Hey!
Okay, right back.
Which is gonna sink first? Oh my gosh, look at the water. Attack! Oh my gosh! It reenacted it!
What size was?
Okay, Bo. Oh my gosh. Bo, I'm gonna... Oh my gosh!
What are you guys doing? We're playing.
Bo, where's the pin? Oh, here, can you see it?
Guys.
You want to do that, you know, you have,
Yeah, we are, Livy.
Greta, you have to ask.
It's nothing wrong.
Oh, you have to ask. Maybe that's
only
a
sinking
ton
in
of
hand.
water.
Water. It's okay.
Now I need to, like, split it.
3. Oh no, this. And then I'm gonna turn on the water, and then have it. I'm gonna have some warm water.
So, can you act like it's split? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. The can's split, Belle! Oh my gosh. No. Oh, it's not even sinking. Let's just help it out. Oh my gosh. This is reenacting the Titanic right now. Oh my gosh! It sunk the entire thing! Oh! The thing split! Look at that!
It's okay, you can turn it off.
We still have this, like, Titanic is done for.
Okay, guys.
It's in 2 pieces at the bottom of the ocean. Oh my gosh, no, pal. Can you? Come on. Oh my gosh, I hope I didn't just ruin my bandages.
Yep.
Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to.
Let some drain. Hold on, wait, take the cans. Oops, get the cans. There we go, that should be enough. Okay, now I'm gonna add the soap and welcome to this speed up. Oops.
I'm just gonna keep going.
Okay, that's enough.
Now? Oh no, just
No, I'm gonna put that
your
music.
camera don't see it.
I'm gonna go.
Do you want this?
Yeah. I'm gonna put that dun 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 music. Dun, 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 dun. That's what I'm gonna put on here. Oh my gosh, Belle, it's building a volcano! Guys, it's building a volcano! Look, okay, speed time lapse this. Okay, put yours there and then I need to hear move when you're done. Oh my gosh, look how big it's getting! Look at it compared to my fingers. Oh, that's hot water, Belle.
I know.
We don't want hot. Oh, hurry. Oh my gosh, it's forming a big blob. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at the hole down the center.
Here, go.
Oh my gosh,
Guys, it's gigantic. Look, there's a big hole right there.
I know. I showed that in my video.
Okay, let's stop.
No, he didn't say to. He was talking to the dogs. Oh my gosh. Guys, the thing is getting huge. Oh, look at the hole.
This is what it's made of.
It's expanding. It's made out of soap. Guys, look. I have a magic trick. Where'd it go?
Whoa, that feels weird.
Whoa.
Look at the dent I made.
Belle, it's getting bigger. Let's add. Okay, let's add just right down the hole. Oh my gosh.
Dude.
That's enough. We still have
Oh, there's some big stuff right there.
Oh my gosh, it's getting huge. I'm like bouncing with excitement. Look, it's going off the camera. Belle, it's going off the camera on here. Oh my gosh.
I'm just holding it like this.
Here we go. Okay, I fixed it.
I want to take some.
Oh my gosh. Guys, look at that. It looks like Mount Everest. Belle!
Take a little.
Oh my gosh, I hope this isn't bad for my bandages.
Yeah, he has.
Okay, Belle. Okay, Belle. Let's just leave it.
Can we turn it off?
Sure.
Hurry up.
My gosh.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Oh no. My big blob.
Beautiful, beautiful. So much soap.
I know. Belle, you got it on the floor.
No, you got it on the floor. Step on it.
Just step on it. Don't let the dogs eat it. Soap gives them diarrhea.
What?
They did. It does. My mom said.
Women, she's right. Mom's always right. Well, sometimes, yeah.
Hey.
Mostly right. Oh my gosh,
guys.
Oh, fill the water. Oh, this rinses off your head.
Oh my gosh, guys. It feels so good.
Feels like you're taking a bath with your
gosh,
hand. If only my bathtub was filled with this.
We should take.
It's cold.
So? I like cold. Oh shoot.
Dude, really? There's a towel right here.
I know. I was gonna get one.
Now it's 8:07.
It's 8:07, guys. Spent 20 minutes. All right, guys. We're gonna.
I'm gonna touch it again.
We're gonna drain this.
Gotta say goodbye.
Say goodbye, soap.
So the winner of the battleship thing is a tie. It's obviously a tie.
Wash my hands off, Belle. Stop. Thank you. Okay, guys. Guys, well, we don't really know.
October. Oh wait, October.
Well, guys, I don't know what else
They're
to
watching
do.
Nightmare Before
Okay.
Christmas.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
The
well,
beautiful
okay.
painting.
Guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here with
Yep,
this. Me and Belle doing Battleship, making the sink, build a giant volcano.
Wait, there's a big hole.
Well, oh, Dookie.
Well, guys, goodbye and comment down below.
Guys.
And like this video if you like dogs. If you think Duke's cute. Duke! If you think Goodbye! See, I know I ended the video, but I'm editing it right now. And Bobo is being a cutie. And we're on the stairs. And he's being so cute. He's just laying on me. Because this is the top floor. And I'm just on the bottom other step. And he just came and laid on me. Say hi, Bobo. Bobo. Want a treat? Oh boy. I'm just joking. Bye.